Today, I'm pleased to publish Stay Safe, Stay Learning, a policy statement which aims to support learners, leaders, governors, practitioners, parents and carers in dealing with the impact of coronavirus. Over the last few weeks, our education system has faced significant disruption, but as always, it remains of central importance. Today marks the beginning of the summer term, but schools in Wales will not be reopening their doors to all learners. In these circumstances, our task is to find ways to help our children keep learning, and this means enabling remote learning and planning for how we can best help our children through this time. We must do all that we can to mitigate the impact of school closures on our children, in particular those children who face socio-economic disadvantage, as well as learners with special educational needs that research shows will be the most affected. We will also support parents and carers to support their children's learning, recognising that, while they are a child's primary educator, they are not teachers, and being clear that we do not expect them to recreate school at home. Our Stay Safe, Stay Learning programme pulls together contributions from across education and beyond to provide support to the whole of our system in Wales, and we will be publishing further guidance and resources over the coming days and weeks. Diolch yn fawr.